Startup 720S with the sport exhaust. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Mclaren of St. Petersburg, and I just wanted to come over here and look at some McLarens, right? Who doesn't like looking at McLarens? And I mentioned before that I've always wanted a supercar, and if I had to buy a supercar, it would be probably a 570S, but if I had unlimited funds, obviously it would be the 720S, which they just so happen to have right there. So without any further ado, let's check out some McLarens. So here we have a 720S. Now this car has 710 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. The 720S is very well known at this point for just being an amazing supercar. You can see the giant carbon ceramic brakes. The interesting thing about the 720S here is you can see that the headlights actually are straight through. It's a very integrative design which helps with aerodynamics. Now if you want to get into a 720S, they run about $300,000, but comparatively, you're comparing it to something like a Huracan or something else like that. The 720S is just a rocket, and one day people. You can also see the active aero. So the 720S is actually the predecessor to the 675 LT. So guys, another cool feature about the McLarens in general, especially the 720S here, is if we take a look at the door, not only is there no door handle, but there's actually a very, I don't know if you guys can really see that, but another air induction that goes straight down. Everything about this car is just so neat how they factor in all the aerodynamics to just make it streamlined. You can just see how menacing this car looks right up front. Honestly guys, I love, this is probably my favorite supercar, honestly. Like 720S all day. So, yeah. Exhaust. Taillights here. You can see it's just straight up streamlined. Pretty awesome looking taillights for just one bar there. Black, also not a bad color, but we have a sticker. So if you want to walk away with this McLaren, cool $213,000. The orange, just like, this looks exactly like Street Speed 717's McLaren. So the 570S is definitely underrated from the factory. When combined with its lightweight and aerodynamics, it makes for a very quick car. So salesman just said that this particular 570S right here has a aftermarket exhaust as well. He's gonna go grab the keys for us. Should be fun.
exhaust.
Oh, okay.
Everyone thinks that black means sport, but it doesn't. I can order the black.
Chrome means sport.
The chrome is the MSO on a 570. You can get them now finally in gloss black, but the gloss black will be MSO. Standard it would be the 570 GT on the end. It would be matte silver or matte black. That's the sports exhaust or regular exhaust. Okay. But MSO is the titanium system. Cool. The whole exhaust weighs 34 pounds.
34 pounds.
Yeah, both sides of it.
Wow.
All right.
So there you guys have it, 570S with the Sport titanium exhaust. Only weighs 35 pounds for the whole exhaust. Did you know that? They are very nice over here at McLaren of St. Petersburg. They're more than happy to show you the cars, rev them out for us, so I want to thank them for having everybody out and have this pretty cool experience. So while we have a chance here, guys, we are going to go and look in the showroom. Let's see what they got there, but we have views on views all in this section over here. But let's check inside. Rolls Royces just have definitely a presence to them, especially when you see it in person. Can't forget the hood on. But if you guys have never seen one of these in person, they are massive cars. Just massive. It literally dwarfs that 570S. Pretty cool interior on this one. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that too well, but very nice indeed. Sticker will just run you about $558,000. Not bad, right? So this is actually pretty cool. It's basically just a shell, so you guys can kind of see how the drivetrain is set up, where the motor is positioned. It's actually pretty cool. Alright guys, so the interior of the 570S here. So guys, obviously we have the really cool display here. The McLaren steering wheel is very nice. We have a nice flat bottom here. The pedals feel really good to the touch. Got your touch screen here, all your radio controls, all your engine stop start. This is where you actually shift it into gear. Your different drive modes. My favorite button, the launch button right there. The McLaren seats are very comfortable. They're carbon buckets and they actually hold you very nicely. You actually have a little bit of room back there for your stuff. But yeah, very cool. Even the little details like the turn signal stalks feel very good in the hand. And actually getting out of it, it's not too hard either, honestly. Just so you guys are aware, I've never felt so classy being in a car dealership before. Yeah, this is super classy. Look at this kitchen, man. It's just, everything's so nice in here. I guess that's what you get when you go to a McLaren and Rolls-Royce dealership. So guys, it is that point of the video where it is time to end, unfortunately. But I hope you guys enjoyed all the McLaren content today. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button for more content. But thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you guys next video.